What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Zeraora from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing a V shape in between of his eye, like that, and then on the top part I'm gonna draw a curved line on both sides, and we're gonna make them join at the tip on top right there. Now at the sides, on the lower point here, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line up and back down and back up to the top of his head, and I'm gonna draw below that a circular line like that, and inside of the eye I'm gonna add an oval shape at the right corner right there, and a circle at this corner, and in the middle I'm gonna add another oval with black color. Now on the corner of the eye here, I'm gonna add a line sideways, and at this point at the cheek I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out and sharp turn down and then back out, and from this point I'm gonna trace the same direction and join it at the outer point right there. Now below that, at this point I'm gonna draw a line towards the left and down and back out and back in, and going back to the left side of the face, I'm gonna draw a similar shape at that corner, and the same shape at the side, and going to the top of his head, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line to the back of his head and up, and a sharp turn back down to the side, and from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line out and upwards at the tip and a sharp turn back down to the side of his face. Then I'm gonna make a turn sideways with a curved line and continue that at this side, and I'm gonna make a turn back to the left and down, and I'm gonna repeat the same shape to the side of his face. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this corner across the face and up in the middle, and then I'm gonna go and copy the same shape on the right side as well, and below the mouth on the side I'm gonna add a sharp teeth on both sides. Now below the mouth I'm gonna draw a curved line down and back up at both corners, and a curved line inside of the mouth for his tongue. And for his nose, I'm gonna take a middle point above the mouth and draw a triangular shape right there. Now for the other side of the ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point out and back down to the side of the face, and I'm gonna make a zigzag line to the bottom of his face there, and another one back to the side of his mouth. Now below his head and below his mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the right. Now from the tip of the ear on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side of his face, and inside of the ear, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape at this corner. Now at the side of his face, I'm gonna draw a semicircular turn and extend it to the right, and then I'm gonna make another semicircular turn at that point outwards, and I'm gonna make a semicircular turn back to the left. And from this point, I'm gonna draw his finger with a curved line down and to the left. And I'm gonna mirror that on this corner and leave a gap in the middle. And in the middle, I'm gonna draw a V shape and another V shape on the top. And I'm gonna copy the whole shape of the finger 2 more times to the left and we're gonna do a similar shape for the thumb as well. Now beside his head at the back, I'm gonna add a zigzag line across to the hand right there. On the left side of the face, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line down, and then I'm gonna make a turn straight down and diagonally out, and from the finger here, I'm gonna draw a similar shape diagonal and straight down to the back. And from this point, I'm going to draw a curved line to that point, and then I'm going to draw a triangle shape across this front part, and we're going to draw some triangle shape at the side as well, and at this point. And for his legs, I'm going to take this point and draw a curved line out, and I'm going to flare it at the knee point, and I'm going to make a turn back in and across, and I'm going to leave a gap there and continue a curved line at this corner and up to the middle point of the legs and across to the left and diagonal down and a semicircular turn at that corner. Now from this point at the side on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line out to the left and a semicircular turn around the knee point. And below the legs, we're going to draw a similar triangular shape as we've done on the waist across this section right here. And we're gonna do the same on the right side. Now below the shape, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line from this point and turn it outwards and down, and then I'm gonna make a turn sideways and a semicircular turn down to the nails. For the back part, I'm gonna take a similar direction diagonally down and a semicircular turn at the heels and to the front and sideways to the toe. I'm gonna do a circular line to the nail and I'm gonna add a triangular shape at this point, like that. And above that nail, I'm gonna draw a curved line and turn it sideways in. And we're gonna do a similar shape for the other fingers. And on the right side, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line down and turn it out and back to the right. And we're gonna draw a V shape at this point and a V shape above, and across a curved line at the side. And for this one, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and turn it sideways, and we're gonna draw a similar shape of the nail at that point. And at the side, I'm gonna mirror the same semicircle line and turn it upwards. And we're gonna mirror the same shape on this point as well. And going upwards, I'm gonna make a diagonal line back up. Now for his left arm, I'm gonna take this point at the side of his body and draw a curved line out. And then I'm gonna make another small curved line. And for the thumb, another curved line and a triangular shape for the nails, and a curved line at this point and turn it down. And for the other finger, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn down and another semicircle turn at this point there, and a triangular shape for the nails. And I'm gonna copy the same for the other finger. And at the last finger, I'm gonna extend it back to the side at the lower point right there. Inside of his paw, I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there, and before the elbow, I'm gonna draw an oval shape and a triangle shape at this corner right here. Now on below his head, I'm gonna draw a short curved line and a V-neck right there. And from the middle point here, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out and up and sharpen down. And I'm gonna repeat that at the outer point right there and down. And then I'm gonna make a turn up and a diagonal turn back down to the middle point. And I'm gonna mirror the whole shape on the left side here. Below that, I'm gonna add a V shape and another V shape at this point. And at the side of the top pattern at this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side. And behind his back, I'm gonna draw a curved line down to this point and sharpen back up, and a curved line from this point up. And at this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and I'm gonna make a turn outwards and slightly upwards and out. And then I'm gonna make a semicircle line and sharp turn back out with a curved line, sharp turn back to that point and back out, and then sharp turn back in and back out and in and out and back in, and trace back the same line to his back. Now around his knee, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across and below that I'm gonna draw another similar zigzag line at that point right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side as well. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!